Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use BloomBot. BloomBot is a powerful cross-chain trading assistant, primarily optimized for the Solana blockchain. It operates seamlessly through a user-friendly Telegram interface, making decentralized finance trading more accessible. This bot is designed to give traders an advantage by offering automated features like token sniping and comprehensive portfolio management, ensuring incredibly fast trade execution, which is vital in volatile crypto markets. To get started, first open Telegram and search for the official BloomBot. Once found, simply type /start to initiate the setup process. You will then be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to securely save your private key. Finally, deposit Solana tokens into your newly linked wallet. You will need these funds to execute any trades within the bot. BloomBot offers several core trading functions to enhance your strategy. One powerful feature is token sniping, which allows you to automatically purchase newly launched tokens the instant they become available. You can also set up automated buy and sell orders, defining specific price points for execution. Furthermore, activate AFK mode to enable continuous, automated trading based on your predefined parameters, even when you are away. For advanced users, BloomBot provides sophisticated tools to optimize your trading. You can implement copy trading by mirroring the actions of successful wallets, learning from experienced traders. Customize your fee structures and slippage settings to ensure your trades execute efficiently and cost-effectively. Additionally, consider using the Bloom Chrome extension, which integrates with your trading terminal for even faster transaction fills and a more robust trading experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.